Hi students, how are you? Today we're gonna learn a trick to remember coagulation cascade. The coagulation cascade includes three pathways: intrinsic pathway, extrinsic pathway, and a common pathway that lead to the formation of clot. Intrinsic pathway is activated when there is internal injury within the vascular system, as the name shows in. So it's easy for you to remember that in intrinsic pathway there is internal injury. The second one is extrinsic pathway. It is activated when there is external injury that leads and blood loss to the vascular system. So as the name implies, so it is activated when there is external injury. The third one is the common pathway. This is where the intrinsic and extrinsic pathway meet to form a clot. So as the name common, so this common pathway is common in both intrinsic and extrinsic pathway. Each pathway has specific clotting factors. So these are the specific clotting factors that work to form a clot. There are approximately 13 clotting factors. Firstly, let's learn the clotting factors of intrinsic pathway. So here is my trick to remember the clotting factors of intrinsic pathway. Learn a line: if you can't sell a watch of $12, try to sell of 11.98. So if you remember this line, you can write it in exams the clotting factors of intrinsic pathway: 12, 11, 9, 8. The next is extrinsic pathway. Extrinsic pathway only have 7 clotting factors. So it's easy to remember one clotting factor. The third one is the common pathway. Here is my trick to remember the coagulation factors of common pathway. So first of all, write 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So in this way, you can remember the clotting factors of common pathway. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So if you have been asked about the clotting factors of intrinsic pathway, tell them all these pathways. Not only 12, 11, 9 and 8, you have to tell these clotting factors also. And if you have been asked about extrinsic pathway, you have to tell all these factors, but not these factors of intrinsic pathway. That's all about coagulation pathway. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me in comments. I hope these tricks are helpful for you in your exams. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share this lecture. Thank you.